Okay, so that section was section part 1, and basically that is store-bought ephemera. You know, purchased ephemera, that kind of thing. That's pretty much what's in there. This section over here, well, not really all of this, but this table, which we'll get to today, is vintage and printables and things like that. So anyway, okay, I'm half on tripod and half carrying the tripod, so hopefully, and this one little section is going to be kind of bad lighting, so I will hurry through this. There's very little is of interest, I think. This is mailing and file folders. That's pretty much it right back there, is some mailing folders and file folders. This is all my chipboard. Let me get out from underneath. This is actual chipboard. These are the backs of 12 by 12 pads. So very, very light chipboard. Cereal boxes. I've got some book board in there. Some where I've taken some books apart. I've just got the outies, so I save that and use that for different things. You know, books and journals, mini albums. I also use the cardboard off of games. It's a little thicker, pretty sturdy board, better than cereal boxes usually. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down, and I'm gonna take this off. Whew, that's heavy. Open this up. Let's see, I don't know if you're seeing any of this. I'm pulling out, and I'll get this back in focus here. Okay. I am a great saver of plastic bags, Ziploc plastic bags to be exact. And I reuse them. So if I buy stuff with Ziploc baggies, I save it. And then when I send out gifts or sell something and it's wrapped in a Ziploc baggie, it's usually upcycled. So it's one way I help the environment. And then this in here, I have this on my Etsy shop. It's a zipper. And I make all kinds of really cool stuff with that, and then trims mainly. Color it with alcohol ink. You can color the tines. It's a metal tines, and it makes great edges on pockets and stuff. And then this is a huge bolt of blue twine, very fine. I can sew. I've done some sewing with this, and it's usually part of my giveaways and things like that. Got some elastic tags. This right here is a whole box of Velcro. So that is pretty much, well, as you can tell, that's about all there is in this container here. Kind of wasn't even worth opening up, but yeah, there we go. Okay, then up here, I did show this in part 1. Just some bigger bolts of things, or some interesting bolts that I'm not quite ready to get rid of. Trying to, with redoing the room, I'm trying to see if there's anything else that I need. This is my son's old scrapbook when he was 4 and 5 years old. So he's coming next week, so I pulled that out to show it to him. Top drawer here. Whoops. Okay. This is all mostly dusty attic, but chipboard pieces. So I've got quite a bit of that all the way, and then I've got some Tim Holtz grunge board and things like that underneath there. The Tim Holtz tissue paper. These are stamps. Got a whole bag of these at a garage sale. And then somebody had given me a bunch of wine corks. I don't drink wine. Love wine, but can't drink it. So there you go. That's that drawer. And then this is a bunch of envelopes. Some from garage sales, some where I've actually purchased them myself, some from cards and envelopes, you know, actual card sets and stuff. So there's that, and then this one here are the larger envelopes, 5x7s and larger. Some of them are, I used to work at a grocery store, and the Hallmark lady used to give me all of the old Hallmark envelopes that she couldn't match up with anything. And so there's that stuff. Now I think I can put this down, and I'm going to do a little bit of adjustment here. Okay, so I think this will. So here is just all kinds of score tape, masking tape, and then this is Terrific tape from Sprinkle and Sparkle. I use this stuff when I'm dealing with wanting to put glitter, like lines. This is an 1/8 inch, like putting the down and rubbing glitter on it. So it gives me nice edges around things. So that's pretty much what that is. I save, you know, those little plastic credit cards you get in the mail. I've got embossing paste. Am I on? Yeah. I've got embossing pastes and things like that in here. Crackle medium. All kinds of that kind of stuff. And that's empty. Yay! Okay, and then all of these, let me see if I pull this. Oh, come on. There. I pull these out. Let me aim this down. And I'm trying to make sure I'm not getting in my own light. Let me pull this out more. Sorry, guys. Okay. So, this is everything about people. Shoes, sewing, telephones, spoons, ladies, bicycles, horses, cowboys, wine and cheese and record players, boots and radios and pirates, and you know, so everything that has to do with people or people would wear, or things like that. Then this one is words and then shapes. So you know, I've got all kinds of words. I've got love and let's go shopping. And then I've got brave and once upon a time, curious, touch of a child's hand, things like that.